more expensive. Then when she rejects that, we compromise on what I wanted all along. I call my method the Trojan horse. You know how I got Lily? I asked Mitchell for triplets.
Phoebes, I want to apologize for saying your method was stupid. And maybe ask you to be my teacher again. And I promise, I won't touch a guitar until you say I'm ready.
It's not like human babies, which are loud and covered in goop.
Holy crap, Sheldon. Did you just figure out a method for synthesizing a new, stable, super heavy element?
Yo, did I? Well, that can't be right. I'm thinking about how one could use the fact that a rapidly rotating mirror turns virtual photons into real ones as a method of observing dark energy.
It's a pretty cool idea.
Yeah, it's great you're here. I'd like...
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word method. It means a procedure, technique, or way of doing something, especially in accordance with a definite plan. There are 3 possible methods of repairing this motor. Also means a manner or mode of procedure, especially an orderly, logical, or systematic way of instruction, inquiry, investigation, experiment, presentation, etc. The empirical method of inquiry. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce method, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to meth. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how method is used in real life.
I want to apologize for saying your method was stupid.
Okay, that's it. I don't want to hear anything about your new method of doing things.
Wait, if you are so protective of the scientific method, perhaps...
I call my method the Trojan horse. You know how I got Lily?
Sheldon, did you just figure out a Holy crap, Sheldon. Did you just figure out a method
that a rapidly rotating mirror turns virtual photons into real ones?
You're questioning my method?
No, I'm not questioning.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.